Hi everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Crafts Designs. I'm going to try a new resin. Well, new to me. But I've got several other videos fixing to come out, or have already come out. Also using the HIPPIE Crafter epoxy resin. Now, as is typical for us crafters, we don't like to read directions. I mean, I scanned through the directions with y'all on video. The basic safety kind of directions. What I didn't read, let's see. This resin is mainly a coating resin. It's just meant to pour a thick layer on like a canvas. I didn't read that. That's why the resin isn't performing like a normal resin. It almost acts like a 4-hour cure resin, as in you have a very short working time. It starts to gel really quickly. It doesn't work well with like mica powders and alcohol. It doesn't work well if you want to let it set and then mix your glitter. So, we're going to try to push its limits though. I'm going to try to pour, you name it, a crystal mold. Crystal candle holder mold. With, this is the Leo Bro Christmas Green. I absolutely love it. It's a kind of chameleon, from the chameleon glitter. A gold green. Oh, stunning. And then I'm going to use, this is the Malachite YRYMHT resin pigment. And of course I'm going to sprinkle a little glamour dust. And I'm going to use a hair, the teal mica powder from HIPPIE Crafter. If I can spit that all out. Alright, so let's get to this. Okay. I got them all filled. The world's stickiest hands. Alright, some glamour dust. Jesus. I'm not used to working with resin that's so set up at all. So I'm gonna squirt some alcohol. Ugh. I hate to even touch it. Alright. That thins it down just a touch. I'm going to squirt just a tiny bit more. Alright. At least it's pourable a little bit. Yuck! Alright, I'm going to pour this around the edge because it's totally not, well, level's not really the word, but the crystals aren't the same length all the way around. So some parts fill up quicker than others. Alright. That pipette is going in the trash. If I can let go of it. Now, I'm going to squirt a little bit of alcohol in here. Come on. Okay. Now I got it a little runnier. Okay, just same thing, pouring this around. Jesus. Oh. I'm sorry, y'all. Like I said, I never work with resin when it's this viscous, because I'm just always done. Okay, this is the teal, the Leo Bro Christmas green. I'm just gonna add a little bit of that. I'm gonna be a little bit more controlling with mica powder. Okay, just one heaping scoop. Okay, but I'm not going to put that away yet because I may want it again. Okay, and that is going to require a little bit more of this is the malachite. I'm the YRYMHT, which is HTV Rod brand. Okay. That is nice and Christmassy. But I'm stuck on it. This is the Deco Art Glamour Dust. Just gonna put a touch. Okay, a little bit more. Okay. Now, we have used the HIPPIE Crafter resin, and we've used the HIPPIE Crafter mica powder. Okay. The HIPPIE Crafter mica powder. So I am just going to dump okay. All right. Right on the money. Okay. Got the stick clean. Y'all know how bad I hate to throw away baby wipes. Okay. This is literally gonna be I have no idea how it's gonna turn out. So I'm gonna put this on my drying rack and we'll check on it in the morning. Okay, here it is. Now, it's the next day, but it's set up like normal. Do have a few bubbles, but I didn't check it or anything. I didn't put a lighter. I didn't nothing. Okay. Right here in this blankish section, that's where the shortest crystals are. It's also the easiest to start turning it back. I don't squirt alcohol. I don't like to put alcohol on my molds. Alright? But turning this back right here where this really thick hold please. That is the key to actually get it flipped back on itself all the way around. Then it's just a matter of coaxing. You don't want to rip it. You want to just coax that silicone out from between those crystals. I'm not kidding y'all. I've done a lot of these, so trust me. There we go. Now we'll shape it back into shape a little bit. Oh yeah, bendy. I can say I don't think I've ever demolded one that was that bendy. But that is cute. Cute. I love it. Very holiday-ish, very Christmassy. But also, you could use it any time of year. Oh, that is really pretty. Let's see what it looks like with light on. Let's put the dust away. Really cute. I'm in love with that. Now I want to do a bunch more. I'm not kidding, I could corner the candle holder market. I've made 25 of these. 30 maybe. Oh lordy, I can't believe I just said that. I love that Christmas green. I keep wanting to call it Christmas tree. Because it's Christmas tree. Green, gold. Oh, that's my jam. Alright. This is a Temu mold, actually. We'll try to put a link down below. Wow. I've got an Amazon shop where the Leo Bro chameleon glitter is listed. Also, the resin pigments, resin dyes, alcohol inks, mica powders. I'll have a link for the HIPPIE crafter for you down below, and a coupon code. So, while this resin wasn't meant for this type of project, it still gave really good results. I'm loving how the clear stayed at the ends of the tips, and how the glitter and mica kind of traveled down a little bit. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, I'll quit rambling now. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that over and over again. Like everybody's video, y'all. Bye for now.